Are you sharpening your knives the right way? Today, I'm breaking down the best and worst ways to sharpen, clean, and maintain your knives so they stay razor sharp. Stick around for expert tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, I'm diving into everything you need to know about knife care, from proper sharpening techniques to the biggest mistakes that ruin your knives. Let's get started. A dull knife is dangerous. More pressure means a higher risk of slipping. Sharp knives give precise cuts, which are better for even cooking and presentation. Proper maintenance saves money. No need to replace dull or damaged knives frequently. Waterstones, also known as whetstones, are the gold standard for achieving a razor-sharp edge. Oil stones are similar to waterstones, but require mineral oil for lubrication. A honing rod is not a sharpener. It's used to realign the blade between sharpening sessions. Maintaining a 15-22 degree angle ensures even sharpening. Soak the stone. Start with coarse grit, like 1000. Then refine with fine grit, like 6000. Now let's talk about the worst ways to sharpen your knife. Rubbing two knives together is a myth that does nothing for sharpening. Pull through. Sharpeners strip away metal, shortening your knife's lifespan. Electric knife. Sharpeners overheat and damage the blade's temper, making it brittle. And using a plate edge is a temporary fix that doesn't replace proper sharpening. Never put knives in the dishwasher. Heat ruins the temper, making blades dull faster. Hand wash immediately with warm water and a sponge, avoiding the blade's sharp edge. Dry and store properly to prevent rust, using a magnetic strip or knife block. To keep your knife sharp longer, use the right cutting board. Wood, bamboo, or plastic. Never glass or metal. Hone before every use to keep the edge aligned, extending sharpness. Store knives properly. Avoid tossing them in drawers where they can get damaged. And don't use your knife for the wrong tasks. No prying, twisting, or cutting bones with a chef's knife. Now you know the best ways to sharpen and maintain your knives. Which sharpening method do you use? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert kitchen tips. Want to master more knife skills? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert cutting techniques and kitchen hacks.